Okay, here comes the second question. In this second question, we have a fraction, and the numerator has a bracket. So, to tackle this question, we first simplify the top side. You see, the top side has a to the power of 4n, but it has a power of half on top. So, what we do is we multiply both indices together. What we write is 4n times half. Well, half of 4n is obviously 2n. So we write a to the 2n. We simply copy down the bottom side, and then you would notice the top and the bottom has exactly the same value. In this case, we can quite simply cancel them out. Cancel. And we are left with a to the power of n over 1, no, a to the power of n minus 1 at the bottom and 1 on top, because this has been cancelled out. Right. And when we have something at the bottom, we can quite simply add a minus sign to the power to flip them on top. So in order to make the denominator become numerator, we have exactly the same thing, but put a minus sign for the index. And if we expand this, we got a to the power of 1 minus n. This step might be the only confusing part. What we do is, whenever we have a number with index, you can change it from numerator to denominator and add a minus sign to the power. Similarly, if you have a number at the bottom, you can move it to the top. You see, this is at the bottom, now it's at the top, and we'll put a minus sign. This is an important technique in index that you have to master. So, let me give you one more example. Let's say we have 3. This is a real number. Well, we can treat this as 3 to the power of 1 over 1. Well, in order to move this to the bottom, we quite simply put a minus at the index. So this is exactly the same as this one. So 3 move to the bottom and gain a minus sign at the index. Okay.